Soak your feet in cold water every night. What follows will surprise you. Ice baths are becoming more and more popular with professional athletes as well as the so-called weekend warriors. Immersing tired joints and muscles in ice water stimulates blood flow and reduces inflammation. It causes the veins to constrict, removes toxins from the blood, and alleviates the delayed onset of muscle soreness. So, if it works for people who have done strenuous exercise, then others should be able to adopt a similar regime and expect good results too. Many health professionals involved in physical therapy are considering the health benefits of acupuncture and its relationship to Eastern medicine. Within these circles, the importance of having healthy feet is widely accepted as essential for overall health. They reason that the nerves in our body, all the way down to our feet, are connected. A certain area of our feet, where the nerve endings exist, may affect the nervous system, while another area could affect the pulmonary system. So, damage to our feet could result in serious internal issues throughout our bodies. By putting these two theories together, we arrive at the conclusion that caring for our feet and improving blood flow from the foundation up could improve our general health. Then, why not try an ice bath for your feet? It's meant to be done for 2 weeks and is best done in the evening so you can relax. It also doesn't take long to prepare or to perform. Plus, you'll be strengthening your immune system. You can do this even when you're suffering from a minor illness like a cold or the flu. Here's what you'll need: a bucket large enough to completely immerse your feet in, tap water, about 20 pieces of ice. Here's what you'll do: put the water and ice cubes in the bucket and wait for the water to get nice and cold. Put your feet in the water until they're totally submerged. At first, you'll want to remove your feet, but don't worry, they'll quickly get warm in the ice bath. Your body will compensate by trying to regulate its temperature. Count to 15 and remove your feet.